Fiskerma agus falcha gan lesson show. Good afternoon. Welcome to this lesson. This lesson is about specific times of day. We're going to go a bit deeper into our specific times of day. And this is to help your Gaelic be a bit more accurate, to help you express yourself in more detail and more complexity, and then also to make your Gaelic move a step closer to that of a native speaker. Okay, excellent. So let's jump right in here. Let's go over our words here. Matin, morning. It's actually a loan word from Latin. Matin. Fisker, afternoon. I'm not sure if fisker is also a loan word. Not sure. This can also be evening. And aiche is night. Okay. Matin, fisker, aiche. I'm sure you've come across these at some point. All right, so some common phrases that can come out of these. Matin and Jew. Matin and Jew. Matin and Jew. This is a really lovely, just colloquial, everyday way to say this morning. This morning. Literally, we're saying morning today. Morning today. Hami talichtja matin and Jew. Hami talichtja matin and Jew. Happy this morning. Aye. Gleva. Let's see. Matin. What else can we do with matin? Matin. Well, something that can be kind of tricky to many Gaelic learners is combining days of the week with these times. Like Monday morning, Monday afternoon, Monday night. Let's work with these a bit here. So using Monday. Garfield would not approve, but nevertheless, we carry on. Matin. So let's see. Monday morning. Matin. Jiluin. Yep. Monday morning. In Gaelic, literally, morning Monday. Perhaps at one point there was an of in between there. The morning of Monday. I'm not sure. These days, it's very, very, very common to just say Matin Jiluin. Monday morning. Matin Jiluin. And the great thing about matin is you can add on any other day of the week. So Tuesday morning, matin Jamarsh. Wednesday morning, matin Jakiatin. What about Thursday morning? Matin Chiarstein. Friday morning, matin Jehunya. Matin Jehunya. Etc., etc., etc. Saturday too, matin Jasahernya. Maybe that's one of your favorite times. Matin Jasahernya. Yeah. Matin, we could say matin Nasabich. The morning of the Sabbath, Sunday morning, or matin Jidonich, if that's your preference. Yeah, excellent. So we just put these words right after matin. Simple. So, let's see. I was tired on Monday morning. Va mi ski matin Jiluin. Va mi ski matin Jasahernya. I was tired on Saturday morning. Exactly. Excellent, excellent. So this is adding a bit more detail about Jiluin, about the day of the week, or about the morning. So it's adding a bit of complexity, a bit more detail. Great. All right. So what about fisker? Well, fisker and matin work pretty much identically here in respect to these phrases on the board. Fisker and Jew. Fisker and Jew. Right? This afternoon. H me gan vu fisker and Jew. I will go to the shop this afternoon. But in Gaelic, it sounds so nice. There's a lot of, sometimes there's rhyme in Gaelic, but there's a lot of poetic elements. Rhyme, maybe some alliteration, right? The same letter starting words. Gaelic is gorgeous. So, H me gan vu fisker and Jew. I will go to the shop this afternoon. So, just like Matin and Jew, this morning, fisker and Jew. And what about Monday afternoon, Tuesday afternoon, etc.? Well, it works exactly like Matin. Matin. So all of these can just be plugged right in. Fisker Jaluin, Monday afternoon. Fisker Jamarsh, Tuesday afternoon. Fisker Jakiatin, Wednesday afternoon. Fisker Jirstein, Thursday afternoon, etc. Etc. Yeah. Kleva. So Matin and Fisker work exactly the same in terms of these two kinds of phrases. And these are very helpful to give more detail and also to sound a bit more like a native speaker. These are common everyday phrases. Now, nighttime is a little different. A little different. So, to be honest, I can't think of the last time I heard Oiche Anju, like this night. So let's not worry about that phrase too much. However, let's focus on adding in these days of the week, like Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, etc. Yeah. So how does this work? Well, Oiche, start with Oiche, making it Monday night. Well, actually, it's going to be Oiche Luain. What's different? What's different? There's no DI. This DI is an old form of the word day. Jaluan. Each of these means something. It's not just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They have a specific meaning to them. Just like in English, how certain days have a deeper meaning historically. Like Wednesday, Woden's Day, Odin's Day, that kind of thing. Tuesday, Tyr's Day. So getting into some Norse mythology here. So Gaelic has that too. It's just these are connected more to monastic, like medieval monastic traditions, and that kind of thing, and parts of the year. Although Saturnia is just the day of Saturn, as far as I know. Yeah, Kleva. Okay, excellent. So the main thing to remember is when you're talking about the night of a certain day, like Monday, Saturday, Sunday, etc., you're going to drop the DI. It goes away because we're not talking about the day anymore. So DI gets dropped. Monday night, Oiche Luain. Tuesday night, Oiche. Oh, guess what comes here? If you've studied Gaelic for a while, I bet you can guess. An H. Oiche Varsht. Oiche Varsht. Oiche Varsht. Oiche Varsht. So the night of Tuesday, you could think of. Yeah, so the DI gets dropped, so these la night if they can. Oiche Varsht. So Tuesday night. What about Wednesday night? Oiche Hiatain. Yep. What about Thursday? Oiche. Oh gosh, double A. Nabigorach. Double A. There are worse things than having two A's. Oiche Arstuin, etc. Oiche Hunya, right? Just dropping the DI. Oiche haharnia. Oiche haharnia, because the S gets an H. Oiche na Sabbath, Sunday evening, the evening of the Sabbath, literally. So, the only difference here is that Oiche drops the DI and it adds the H if possible to the beginning. It lenites. That's it. All you have to think about here is Matain and Fescud. You just put the day of the week after those words. Matain Jaluin, Fescud Jakiatain, etc. When it comes to nights, you drop the DI and you lenite if you can. Oiche luin, oiche varst, oiche hiatain, oiche arstuin, oiche hunya, right? Oiche haharnya, oiche nasabich. That's all there is to it. All right. Gleva. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.